My name is Blair Quire. We know that timely access to financial reports is crucial. However, application limitations like restricted data views, rigid reporting structures, and system integration gaps can hinder analysis and delay decision-making. EAG Foundations' standard industry-leading plug-and-play report packs make it easy for you to get the reports you need in an easy-to-consume format. Each report is configured with filters that enable you to slice datasets in more ways than you might be able to in your application normally. This frees you to focus on value-added projects and tasks since data is working for you, not the other way around. Contact us to learn more.